Eat it. Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you sleepy? Are you going night-night on the table? Going night-night on the table? Yeah, because you're sleepy? Why are you sleepy? Why are you sleepy? Are you sleepy because you didn't take a good nap? Yeah, because you woke up after 45 minutes? Is that why you're sleepy? Yeah. I think that's probably why. More reasons? Are you so tired? Are those yum yum raisins? Are they good? Oh, so tired that I have to lay down to chew. Yeah. It's impressive that you can talk while you're chewing. Yeah, eventually I'm going to have to break you of that habit. Mm-hmm. Here you go.